In this video I am going to show you how to create a very simple and healthy protein based snack that can be had for breakfast or just as a nice and easy meal that will help you to feel full and sustained throughout your day. I will explain the benefits of eating this healthy snack as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare in as little as 5 minutes, while also explaining the different health benefits and nutritional benefits that will be had from having this type of meal throughout your day. This meal can be prepared by using only a minimum of 6 simple ingredients. These ingredients will be 1 to 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of organic peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 scoop of protein powder, a pinch of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and as an added option you can add fruit and berries later on. Okay, to begin, you're just going to get yourself a bowl and either a spoon or a whisk. And once you have all the items you needed, we are ready to begin preparing the meal. So you can begin by adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to the bowl. That will estimate to be about 100 grams or 59 calories, which will equate to a total of 3.6 grams of carbohydrates and 0.4 grams of fat. This will be the first of the main protein sources that you'll get from this snack. Next up will be to add 1 tablespoon of organic peanut butter, either smooth or crunchy, depends on what you prefer, which will roughly equate to 94 calories, around 16 grams of fat and about 8 grams of protein. Next up will be to add 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl. That will roughly equate to about 20 calories, with 5 grams of sugar, 0 grams of fat, and this will greatly help give a nice sweet taste to the snack when it's prepared. After that is done, next it will be to add a pinch of cinnamon, which will give an extra little kick to the flavour, and it'll only have a total of 6 calories. And the next ingredients on the list is to add 1 scoop of protein powder. The calorie and fats and carbohydrate content of the protein powder will vary depending on the brand of protein powder that you're going to use. But for simplicity, try to use a protein powder that is low in carb content, usually anywhere between 1 to 2 grams or 2 to 5.5 grams of carbs, which will be enough. And obviously pick a flavour that suits you best. Okay, so once you've added the protein powder, next up will be to add a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk to the bowl and begin mixing all the contents until it has become a consistent texture. And once all the ingredients have been mixed, you can begin eating. You can begin eating the meal straight away if you want, or if you want to give more taste, you can try adding some quinoa, some buckwheat granules, maca root powder, or even, as I said earlier in the video, use chunky peanut butter instead of smooth peanut butter for a little added crunch. And then if you want, you can top off the bowl with dried cranberries, raspberries, chopped pineapples or strawberries and blueberries, just to get some little extra fibre into your meal. That will help you feeling fuller for longer, and will also provide with the added benefit of giving you more extra energy throughout your day. And this is a simple and pretty straightforward meal that will only take minutes to prepare and tastes amazing, so go ahead and why not give it a try.